So this is a video to show you how to log into the tournament. So I'm in here as KB Paula. I made that one up just to show you. Here on the front page, scroll down where it says then tournaments and click on the KBeach tournament. Okay, then this screen comes up. Now do not click on this here, the new game. You want to join the tournament. So go over here and it says again, KBeach tournament. Click on it. And at the bottom here, you see the join button. And that's actually it. And if you go to the players here, you can see who's in there. Right now, it's only me logged in, but as other players, members of our KB Chess Club log in, you will see more people there. In fact, I'm about to add another one in there. And does he show up? Well, let's see. There he is. So again, I also made that one up. So that's how you log into the tournament, all right?